How safe is Ohio for travel? Ohio is one of the most interesting states in the United States of America for travelers. This is because Ohio has such a wide variety of things to offer. It has three big cities, rich rolling wooded hills in the southeast, and beautiful lakes and flatlands in the northern part of the state. Overall risk: low. Overall, Ohio is one of the safest states in the Union. Even though it has three major city centers, Ohio is still in the bottom half of the country when it comes to its violent crime rate. As long as you avoid some of the more dangerous neighborhoods in Cincinnati, Cleveland, and Columbus, you shouldn't have any issues while you are there. Travel insurance. Just like anywhere else, we recommend getting travel insurance when traveling to Ohio. Better be safe than sorry. Word of caution: beware of pickpockets in crowded areas and tourist landmarks, and do not let your guard down just because you are feeling safe.